If you are suffering from any chronic illness, vertigo, brain fog, TMJ, you had a concussion and you're dealing with 20 different problems 2 years later and you have no idea what's going on. You had a whiplash accident, you have chronic pain. You can't fall asleep at night. Your system feels revved up. You have anxiety, you have depression. You have low energy. These are all signs that your body's not working right. And traditionally in our mainstream healthcare system, most of us end up there. We have a battery of tests, we get named, and then we have a drug thrown at us to treat the symptom. But there's many of you out there that don't want to be on drugs for the rest of your life, and you're looking for a solution or something that can help your body work better so you can actually heal through the problem, not have that problem in the first place. I want to talk about the nervous system because it's solely lacking in people's understanding and awareness of how their own body works. So you have the brain inside the head. This is the top bone. It sits right under the neck. The brainstem sits in there. And that brainstem is what controls everything in your whole body, basically, that you don't consciously control of your internal organ function, immune function, hormones, muscle tone regulation, balance, thermoregulation, blood pressure. And below C2, you have the spinal cord, which is a cable that carries all the information out to the rest of the body. So here's a factoid for you that you should understand if you really want to function better and have better health. Every cell in your body has about 1 billion chemical reactions every second. They estimate we have 15 trillion cells in our body. So 1 billion times 15 trillion is how many chemical reactions are happening in every cell of your body simultaneously within 1 second. All of that is coordinated, controlled, and modulated from nerve impulses that are traveling up and down through the spine, and that's what controls every function in your body. So if something isn't working right, it's usually not a medication, a lack of it. It's that your body's not working right, and what controls it is your nervous system. And what can cause your nervous system not to work right is this top vertebra right under the skull being out of position. The reason this upper neck is so important, your head weighs 10 to 12 pounds. This vertebra weighs 2 ounces, and it sits on the end of a stick, your neck. And from an engineering perspective, as we go through life, trauma, head trauma, car accidents, sports injuries, blunt type trauma can cause this most unstable area of the spine to dislodge and lock, irritate the nervous system, decrease your body's ability to function properly, and at the other end of that are symptoms. You're not working right. So instead of treating the symptom, we want to go back upstream. Here in our office, we do upper cervical chiropractic. We specialize in fixing this top vertebra and its relationship to the spinal cord if it's locked, and we can get it back where it should be. And we do this through 3D imaging. We do not twist, pop, or pull anything. It's a very precise force to set the segment back in its normal range of motion. The goal is to get it to stay there as long as possible so your body can, over time, heal, mend, and repair. So if you're dealing with any of the things that I talked about, we are located in Sarasota, Florida. We offer a free consultation. If you're outside the Florida area, anywhere in the world, you can leave a comment in the comment section below where you're at. We'll find you someone in your area, or you can go to a website, www.uccnearme.com.